Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm not sleeping if that's where you're looking for. That's where you're looking for. Yes, I'm not sleeping. And I'm gonna show you guys in this video how to make a website, how to put that website on your desktop. So you create a short how to create a shortcut basically on your MacBook. I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. So first, this is the shortcut I'll create for this YouTube channel. You can create a shortcut for anything you want basically. Ain't gonna be any problem here compared with Windows. I mean, we can create a shortcut on Windows as well, quite easy. Just right click and you see there's create shortcut. But I think I like this. It's like looks very nice. The animation, you can highlight the link, the URL of that website, whatever you want, and then if you grab and drag, it's going to see this like plus icon. Looks very nice, and I drag it on the screen, and that's it. And what's even more interesting that I like it, if I right click here and click on copy image, right here, copy image, and then I go here at the top, but make sure you actually open, right click on this and click on copy info, and then here select this tab or this here, this just select it, go to edit here. Now apparently we have to copy this again, and then here in edit we should be able to paste here, and actually select this as well. I forgot, make sure you select this icon, and now this should work. And then copy image, click on this, edit, where it says copy. So yeah, actually it was the I actually opened the incognito, and now I can even grab like that. You can even move it here if you open in a new window, you know. But you can now just copy and then select this, select actually this icon, and then edit, and you'll paste in